Tell me when you're filming.
I'm filming.
Oopsie. Ruth, are you going to stand up? You want help? Stand up. Alright, hold on. Hold on to the car or the chair. Alright, let me ask you something. Rutha. Rutha, what does a monkey say? Give you... That's right. That's what un mono says, right? And Rutha? Rutha? Rutha, what does a doggy say? ¿Qué dice el perro? No, el perro. Wow, 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 that's right. Good job. And Rutha, one more question. Rutha, one more question, and then I'll leave you alone. Oopsie. Up you go. Stand up for Mama. Rutha, how old are you, almost? How old are you? Rutha, how old are you? Uno. Good job! Yay!
Oh man, she's...
Rutha at 11 months, we're practicing.